Hey everybody, we are moving on to functions. With a function, you define code once and then use it many times, whenever you need. To perform some code, you simply call the function name. In this scenario, I need to sing happy birthday like 3 separate times. So without using a function, I could write something like this. This will be one iteration. So when I run this, we sing happy birthday once. If I need to sing 2 additional times, well, I would have to copy this code and paste it 2 additional times to sing 3 verses of my happy birthday song. So we don't like to repeat code if we don't have to. Wouldn't it be nice if we could write this code once and reuse it whenever we need? Well, we can do that with a function. So to create a function, we will type function and then a unique function name. Let's name this function happy birthday. Add a set of parentheses and a set of curly braces. Any code you would like to repeat, simply place within the curly braces. If I need to sing 1 verse of happy birthday, I take the function name and add a set of parentheses. This will invoke, otherwise known as call the function. So you type the function name, add a set of parentheses. I like to think of the parentheses as a pair of telephones that are talking to each other. That's how you call a function. If I need to use this code again, I can simply call the function again. So that's 2 times and 3 times. So we have accomplished our task of singing 3 verses of my happy birthday song. What if we have some variables? Let user name equal your first name, and let age equal some age. Within my happy birthday song, I'm going to insert my username as well as my age. So within my happy birthday song, we have my username and my age. Functions have access to global variables. A global variable is basically a variable that's declared outside of any functions, or any set of curly braces. For example, we may have a function to start our program, and we will place this code within here. I will call the startProgram function to begin my program. But we have one issue. Uncaught reference error. Username is not defined. Variables, when declared with the let keyword, aren't recognized outside of the immediate set of curly braces. So my happy birthday function has no idea what username or age is. These variables only exist within the immediate set of curly braces. What I could do is that when we invoke the happy birthday function from within the startProgram function, we can send some information to this happy birthday function, so that it will recognize my username and my age. To pass some values or variables to a function, when you invoke that function, within the set of parentheses, just list whatever you would like to send over. I would like to send over my username and my age. These are known as arguments. However, you need a matching set of parameters. Within the declaration of my happy birthday function, I need a matching set of parameters. You can just copy the arguments over and then paste them within the happy birthday function. These are known as parameters. You need to send over a username and an age. So now this should work. So here's my username and my age. If I invoke this function without passing my arguments, well then this function doesn't know what my username and age is. And with your parameters, they don't necessarily need to be the same name. You can rename these values when you receive them within the function. I'll rename username as A, and age is B. And I'll change that here and here. This would also work, but make sure you get the orders of the arguments and the parameters right. So if I switch these around, happy birthday dear 21, you are bro years old. So the order of the arguments and the parameters does matter. So yeah, everybody, that's a function. You define code once, and then you can use it many times. To perform some subroutine of code, you just call the function name. This is useful because we don't have to repeat code more than once. If you find that you're going to repeat code more than once, you could write it within a function. So yeah, those are functions, everybody. In the next video, we'll discuss return statements. Hey, if this video helped you out, you can help me out by smashing that like button, leave a random comment down below, and subscribe if you'd like to become a fellow bro.